Once you find the GCF of a polynomial's terms, you can factor it out of the polynomial. Problem 3, factoring out a monomial. What is the factored form of 4x to the fifth minus 24x cubed plus 8x? We're going to see what we might think on the left, and in turn what we would write on the right. First, think, to factor the polynomial, first factor each term. And what we might write, 4x to the fifth, in its factored form, 2 times 2 times x times x times x times x times x. 24x cubed, similarly, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times x times x times x. And finally, 8x, well, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times x. Then we find the GCF of the three terms. The GCF will be 2 times 2 times x, or in a more simpler form, 4x. Finally, we're going to factor out the GCF from each term, then factor it out of the polynomial. So we rewrite our original expression, 4x to the fifth minus 24x cubed plus 8x, as 4x times x to the fourth. Note that's just the factored form of 4x to the fifth, plus 4x times negative 6x squared, the factored form of our second term, plus 4x times 2, the factored form of 8x. Then we factor the 4x out of all three terms. 4x times x to the fourth minus 6x squared plus 2. So now we state the factored form of the polynomial is 4x times x to the fourth minus 6x squared plus 2. Your turn. Part A. What is the factored form of 9x to the sixth plus 15x to the fourth plus 12x squared? And part B, a reasoning item. What is negative 6x to the fourth minus 18x cubed minus 12x squared written as the product of a polynomial with positive coefficients and a monomial?